the iPad Mini 8, slated for 2026. If you're like me, you've been waiting for Apple to give this compact powerhouse the upgrade it deserves. And boy, do these leaks deliver. Imagine holding a device that's small enough to slip into your pocket but packs the punch of a pro-level tablet. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because I'm about to break it all down, from the jaw-dropping display upgrades to the beastly processor that could redefine portable productivity. You won't want to miss a single detail here, as this could be the game-changer you've been dreaming of. Let's start by setting the stage. The iPad mini has always been that underdog hero in Apple's lineup, not as flashy as the Pro models, but insanely practical for on-the-go users like travelers, students, or anyone who hates lugging around a full-size tablet. Remember the first iPad mini back in 2012? It was a revelation, shrinking the iPad experience into something you could actually use one-handed. Fast forward to today, and the current iPad Mini 7 from 2024 is solid with its A19 Pro Chip and 8.3-inch screen. But let's be honest, it's starting to feel a bit dated. The display is great for everyday use, but in a world where phones are hitting 120Hz refresh rates, that 60Hz LCD feels like it's holding back. And don't get me started on the battery life during intense sessions. It's decent, but we all crave more. What if I told you the next version fixes all that and then some? Yeah, these 2026 leaks are hinting at transformations that could make the Mini the must-have device for 2026 and beyond. Now, picture this, you're scrolling through your feed, and boom, rumors hit about an OLED display on the iPad Mini 8. Not just any OLED, but one with promotion technology, meaning a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Sources like MacRumors and Bloomberg are all over this, saying Apple could roll it out in late 2026. Why is this such a big deal? OLED means deeper blacks, vibrant colors that pop like never before, and better energy efficiency, which could stretch that battery life even further. Imagine watching your favorite Netflix series on a commute, with HDR content looking cinema quality on an 8.5-inch screen. That's the rumor, a slight bump from 8.3 inches, thanks to slimmer bezels. But hold on, because if it's promotion, every swipe, scroll, and animation will feel buttery smooth, just like on the iPad Pro. You know that laggy feeling on older screens? Gone. This upgrade alone could make you rethink ditching your phone for reading or gaming. And think about creators editing photos or videos on a portable OLED canvas. It's going to be addictive. But displays aren't the only star here. Let's talk power. The leaks are pointing to either the A19 Pro or even the A20 Pro chip. Yeah, Apple might skip a beat to pack in next-gen performance. We're talking about a 2nm process, which means insane efficiency and speed. If it's the A20 Pro, expect benchmarks that rival desktop chips in a tiny form factor. Why does this matter to you? Well, if you're multitasking with apps like Final Cut Pro or running demanding games, this chip could handle it without breaking a sweat. Pair that with rumored 12 GB of RAM, up from the current 8 GB, and you've got a machine ready for the AI era. Apple's been pushing Apple Intelligence hard, and with this setup, features like advanced photo editing or real-time language translation could run flawlessly. Imagine dictating notes in a meeting while the iPad transcribes and organizes them intelligently, all without draining the battery. The current 5078 mAh battery is good, but with OLED and a more efficient chip, we might see all-day usage even under heavy load. And charging? Sticking with 20W, but maybe faster wireless options. You have to wonder, will this make the iPad Mini 8 the ultimate travel companion? Speaking of design, don't expect a total overhaul. Apple loves that sleek, modern look from the Mini 6 onward. But whispers suggest water resistance, which would be huge for clumsy users like me who spill coffee everywhere. Redesigned speakers for better audio immersion? Yes, please. Imagine booming sound in such a small package, perfect for podcasts or calls on the go. And Face ID? Some leaks say it might finally make the cut, ditching Touch ID for seamless unlocks. But even if it doesn't, the side-mounted fingerprint sensor works fine. Colors could stay starlight, purple, and space gray, but maybe a new bold option to spice things up. The build? Aluminum, lightweight at around 300 grams, easy to toss in your bag. But here's the exciting part. With these specs, it could bridge the gap between phone and laptop better than ever. Think about it, running full desktop apps via Stage Manager, connected to an external display. This isn't just a tablet, it's a portable workstation.